Hello friends, I hope the sky is clear. Hope you are all well. So as you have seen the DP and title, obviously. So this is my best the images of 2021 and my little bit journey and what I have done in this whole year. I will share the experience with you all, and it is pretty nice that I am really talking to you first time in this video. Let's come to the vlog style. So as you can see, the night is over here. So as I talk about my previous days, that yes, I am really willing to make my videos, but I can't, as that the phone is not means my camera is something I'm not getting the cameras and something I can't shoot the way. So okay, I got the camera now and I am shooting this through your. So if I talk about my current weather, so I have not actually, I'm very shivering over here. So let me show you a thing. This is the room thermometer, as I just keep this the support of the wiper of the car, and if the perpendicular support is given to this, and it is that awesome thing. Is actually this is a room thermometer, but I am really technical or the technology lover, so I just keep this on the front yard. So it is too much fog over here. I think I also record this temperature on evening, and on that time it is 8.8 degree over here, but that it is again you can see the fog through my mouth. So it is a very so actually I can't tell you much about the video here. Actually it's not a the situation is not good. It is too cold over here. You can see the temperature is now the 8 degree over here. This fog means a lot for me, as I am an Indian guy. So okay, let's wait for the sun to be rise. So if I say about my 2021 starting, this year was very freaking crazy, and I am really learn a lot of things from this year. And at the starting point, I just shot the Perseus, means the Orion constellation, and I see the actualness of my sky after the rain. Just the rain has come on the 8th Jan, and the sky is getting very clear on that time. So I just the sky is really looking on that, and the bottle scale 5. So that's also the thing. And then soon the days pass, the year, my exams just arrived. On that time I'm just qualifying the 8th. Now the time is again that come, and I am in the 9th grade I am. So just all that. And one more thing it is I want to share. I think I also want to cover here is that on between the summers and the rainy season, I went my mother's house in Karnal actually, and it was my first experience that I really went towards the Kalpana Chawla's home, and it is amazing thing that I really see the place where the historic things happen. The person who the first Indian American woman, Kalpana Chawla, I seen the house on that time, and that I want, it's my dream, one of the that one day I will go to there and see the place where she born, spent half of his life here on the place. So here I will share some pictures. You can see the house, and it's the large I can take, as there is now actually the history is of house is now that the house is sold by the owner who lives in Delhi, and it's now a private property. But the things, some historic means the place is not to be constructed out anyways in the near future too, right? Because it is a very that's the place where the sheep born and she played, and his half his life is went there only. So you know the city, the area is of the model town Karnal, uh, one of the very richest or the very proper development area. That's the very big houses, like you may see in the very rich the cities, just like that. I have also seen the documentary of National Geographic, that Kalpana was really too amazed to see the stars and from her roof. So that's the sky condition is very really good at time. But now when I go and check the bottle scale and some sky quality, it is now gone to the bottle class 6 to more than 6, maybe 7 and 8 is there. So on that time I think there's maybe the bottle scale 4 to 3, because it is very old time, the 1962 to 1968 maybe. That she used to be very young on that time, and that's a really completely heaven for also the astrophotography. But that time the hobby is not developed by fully, and yes, the experience on that time of Karnal is the trip of Karnal is very awesome. It's a very large place to live, and it's a very big city, smart city, and it's actually I went many times, but Karnal, but the house or her house I went first time. So okay, that's the way that my summer and the rainy season goes. So let's come to the last part, the current, which had happened previous months. So about the major part I just discussed, and the ending point just came about my present, but is the way that I am going to be shoot the last days. That that mega festival Diwali is also here, and the light is very much, the houses were decorated, the lamps of the diyas here we say, and were just blown. So I really make the things, the cinematography on that time, but I upgrade my laptop Windows, so just set HD2, that's all it was removed. So just fine, they're not, so that's okay, next time we will try. So now the end of the year is coming, and many YouTubers I have seen that they are really going to be good growth, and I just wish me also that may I also grow on this platform, and some ways that I am improving my techniques to be pure. That's a smartphone astrophotography especially, and generally it is a very it's a very major level thing, that from a DSLR you should start through, but you can also start through a mobile phone. So yes, Star Tracker plus smartphone is there, so it's really a massive I just can't explain it, it's out of words. I want to say one more thing, that if you are into this hobby, addicted, so by you are pushing your levels every day, so you can improve your skills on this. For example, that you can see here is the Andromeda Galaxy of my 2020 version, and you can see here is the 2021 version. So it's a lot of difference that I learned with the Photoshop. This is a process by the GIMP, and this is processed by the Photoshop. So I just retain the GIMP's capability also, but I think the Photoshop is really much that can do much more. So okay, that if you want to see topics related to the astro photography, you know that I am going to start a channel on my language, that Hindi will be there. The Astro Mountain guy, you will see the link in the description if you are Indian, so must watch this channel. I just tell there the same way but in the different language. So okay, that's all. Comment me down below if you want to learn or make the tutorials on the processing parts of the images, and how to process the images on the GIMP and the Photoshop. You can see that my portfolio just after this clip. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching this video, and clear skies.